Hello, Can Do Guy here. Another knife purchase. We'll take a look. Warning sign on the box. Has a nice little nylon sheath to it with a belt loop. This is another Mylan 8-inch. It's called a lever lock. Also has a shell puller on this lever lock, which is this end right here is supposed to pull shells out of a gun. This is a lever lock automatic. It has the black marble scales with brass pins. The bolsters are stainless steel, as well as the liners. It has a black marble scales. To open, pull this lever down, push the button. This is made in China. It says AKC, but it's made in China. It is the 440 scale, or stainless steel. 3.5 polished blade. I believe they call this end the bird's head end. I'm not sure. To fold it back down, push this button, pull down, snaps into place. When it snaps in, this lever folds back up to lock, so it will not open in your pocket or anything. This item was purchased at Perry Knife Works. The sale price was $19.99 plus shipping. The shell puller head Okay, give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.